Mighty Line floor signs have always looked great. Safety messages, directional signage, 5S signs, dozens of vivid designs for nearly every application. But now, they're tougher than ever before. How tough? Our new Mighty Line floor signs have been tested under the most extreme conditions. We beat on them and spun a forklift over them again and again and again, and they held up. In fact, the tire tread marks just wiped right off. No peeling, no fading. Just extra strength and great looks that last. Mighty Line floor signs come in a variety of standard sizes and designs. They're easy to apply with no bubbles or wrinkles. They're easy to clean with any industrial scrubber or just a simple mop. And now they're tougher than ever before. Mighty Line floor signs. See our entire selection and learn more now at mightylinetape.com.